Number 5.
This is your phone. 50% of its potential space unused. And this is PopSlate, filling that potential with a second screen. PopSlate is always on and gives instant access to information. It connects to your apps, so it makes using a phone faster and simpler. Everything you need is available at just a glance. It can be your personal assistant.
Mr. Sampson, you have a meeting at 10 and a flight that leaves at 5 today.
Who are you?
Better get dressed if you want to make your meeting.
Your newscaster.
This just in, Dow Jones peaks for a 6-month high. Time to sell.
PopSlate can even be a weatherman.
Shaping up to be a beautiful day, high 70s, and plenty of sunshine. Back to you, Eric.
It lets you access your loyalty cards in an instant.
This one's on him.
And if you have some time to pass, you can catch up on that book you have been meaning to read. Or sports.
Wow! King Sports the Game 7.
Or your social feeds.
Wow, Twitter is blowing up about this new Apple announcement. And your latest Insta has 300 likes.
300.
It even serves as a durable yet sleek case, protecting your phone. PopSlate can even charge your phone with its built-in battery. And combined with using the ultra-low-power e-ink display, you double your phone's battery life.
You're good to go. Plenty of power.
No key codes, no scrolling through apps. With PopSlate, your information is always just a glance away. It's instant, versatile, ready when you are,
You're good to go. Have a great flight.
and always on. PopSlate, it's everything you need at a glance.
Number 4. Number 3.
Easy everyday carry, but tough enough for extreme use and abuse. Exceeds military drop test standards, so you won't have to worry about shocks and drops. Specially designed integrated magnet allows for instant mounting almost anywhere, and it's completely safe for all iPhones. Quality that you can count on and supported by world-class 5-star customer service. Mount your phone to a variety of optional accessories for bikes, cars, motorcycles, and more. Enhance your daily tasks with these accessories, specially designed for your new Rockform rugged case.
Number 2.
Hi, I'm Michael, co-founder of Perry, where we've developed the iPhone accessory that we have all been waiting for. A compact case with an extra battery that fully recharges your iPhone and detaches to become a Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled speaker that goes with you everywhere you go. This is my longest standing friend Clint. He's here to help me with my big Hollywood gig. I spent $300 to use my iPhone the way I want to because no one created a single device that can solve the two greatest needs of every iPhone user: longer battery life and louder speakers. No one had done it, so we did. We call it the Perry Duo for $99. As to how we did it, well, we started with advanced circuit design technology. What?
I got this.
Quando si guarda me con amore, credevo mi amavi davvero, ti piaceva.
The deal's gonna go through. I think we should sell.
Better boy, Johnson.
You're probably wondering how we crammed all this technology into one case. So here's how we did it. The key to our slim form factor is our proprietary circuit design that has condensed typically large circuits for recharging and audio processing into a fraction of their normal size. This allowed us the space necessary to house our 3 and 4 watt speakers and a 2500 milliamp battery. The Duo utilizes an impact-resistant polycarbonate to house the speakers and internal electronics. In short, this thing's hard to break. The Duo features a patent-pending smooth glide locking mechanism that enables you to easily install and remove your phone in less than 2 seconds. The Perry Duo is the first mobile case with peer-to-peer Wi-Fi multicast functionality. This means that you can stream your music from your phone to dozens of cases. Imagine a multi-floor dorm party streaming your music to multiple rooms throughout the building. This is the Perry Duo for $99. Thanks to our friends and family and believers who supported us, we've made it through phase 1. With product design and engineering complete, we're ready for phase 2.
We've got production facilities ready for the green light. All we need is you.
The sooner we hit our reward goals, the sooner we'll have the world's most portable, high-powered speaker and recharging case in your hands. So choose a reward. pledge, and help us make the Perry Duo a reality. Thank you. So, where's my duo?
About that.
Number 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, get my shoes and out the door. 5, I'm alive. 6, 7, 8, feeling great. 9, gonna shine, life is good. I'm doing fine. 10, gonna do it right and do it again, yeah. I look into the sky with all the beautiful color, but there's more than just for me, so gonna share it with another. I got to show, to give, let out. I want to sing and shout. Take a look and see a beautiful morning that turns into a beautiful evening, and together make a beautiful life. And if you wanna see, then come along with me. That's right.